Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW M2 in Brooklyn Gray Metallic. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW M2 LCI in Brooklyn Gray Metallic. I'm just going to press unlock so we get the DRLs coming on there. And here's the key. Press and hold the pathway lighting so we can get, or panic button to get the pathway lighting. Full low beam system is on now. And this one is manual transmission, my favorite. So let me just do a lap all the way around the car. The weather outside is absolutely fabulous, so I want to try and make as many videos out here as I can because I know the Canadian winter is looming on us, and when it gets here there'll be no videos outside. So now that we've done this lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. So we have the beautiful Brooklyn Gray Metallic. This is an M color, and you can see we've got some lines coming down. We've got the power dome here, and front end, I really like it. I know a lot of people don't really like the front end, or it hasn't grown on them. Adro made a different full front end for this vehicle, and as cool as that one looks, I do really like the OEM front end. So we've got the rondelle up front and center here, and my head shadow. We've got the grille with the horizontal slats and the black M2 badging on the driver's side for the LCI. This one doesn't have any type of driver assist stuff, so we don't get that big radar thing in the middle. And we've got the big square intakes with the horizontal slats in there. That looks pretty sweet. And I think this car, because it has black here, it really is fitting to put a front lip on there. It looks so good. And everyone that's put a front lip on their M2, it looks really nice. Now, when we come over here and take a closer look at the headlights, these are the Shadowline headlights. They're all black inside there. And we've got the cool 2 Series signature DRL. All those cool little lines and stuff and patterns on there. That's cool. And full low beam system up front like this. That looks good. Now, when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch front and 20-inch rear. Double spoke 930M wheels in JetBlack Burnished with the blue M compound brake here. So that is a nice wheel setup, brake setup. And on the fender is massively wide. You can actually see how much it goes back in here to meet the door. There's a body line vertical here, cuts straight across the rocker panel and goes straight up from here again and creates this massively wide rear quarter. Looks awesome. We have body colored M wing mirror with the integrated turn signal. We have the slick top. So in Canada you can get no sunroof, no carbon roof if you want. New style antenna, flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access, and side profile of the M2. That just looks so good. I'm missing the 2 doors in my life, but the 4-door life is pretty sweet. We have a body colored spoiler on the trunk lid. And when I come around to the back here, look how wide this thing is. It looks crazy. We've got the tail lights on, we've got the vertical reflectors on each side, and we have the quad exhaust pipes down here with the black diffuser. And again, M2 LCI has black badging with silver lining around it. So since we're back here, I've got the key. Press and hold the tailgate button to pop that. There's also a little micro switch right there. And we've also got the rear view camera. Once this opens up, it's full of winter mats and front plate brackets and carpet mats. There's a release lever up here and up here to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We have a grocery bag hanger here, tire inflator kit, wheel lock key, tow hook, all of that should be in there, and a little netted area on this side. and a little cutout area with the glow-in-the-dark handle to release yourself in case you get stuck in here somehow. And other markets may have some safety stuff here, not the Canadian market. And there's a handle on the underside, so you can close this without touching the exterior of the vehicle. So that looks sweet. I love this angle of the car because you can really see that rear quarter. Anyway, fuel cap doors on the passenger side, connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane, BMW M recommend Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise 1 click. There's a little spot here to put this, and when you're done, it's just clockwise 1 click, and then you just shut the door. If I go ahead and approach from the passenger side, open that door up. So inside we've got Harman Kardon sound system. You've got your door handle, unlock, lock, window switch. There's the M illuminated highlighters, so that does light up at night. Some door pockets, M2 door sill, and we have the Black Vernasca Leather seats with the M highlighter colors on there. I really like these seats and how they look. M carbon bucket's even better, but this is good enough. Lumbar, side bolster, under the thigh extension, and we do have also glove box down here, carbon fiber interior trim, soft touch materials on the dash. I drive 8.5 with the M specific layout, the cascading ambient light with the new vent design here, more carbon fiber, 6-speed manual transmission gear selector, red push start button. If I lift this up, wireless charger and USB Type-C is inside of there. And if I lift up the corner here on the shoulder, put it in the acute angle, the seat will move forward, allowing us space to get into the rear. And on our way to the rear, you can see that we've got the M tricolor seat belts. Love that. And in the back, more of these triangular patterns, coat hangers on the back of each B pillar, black headliner, center pass-through, no armrests in the center. Both headrests can be flipped up or down. Little storage area here. And we've also got some vents on the back of the center console. When I go ahead and put the seat back into the recline angle, it will go back to where it previously was. And now that we've had a chance to look at this side, let's shut this door and go to the driver's side next. All right, let's approach from the driver's side. So let me lift up this door handle here. So inside the driver door, we have, again, Harman Kardon. Nice stitching around the door handle area. Memory buttons, window controls, side mirror controls, M illuminated highlighters here. Got some pockets down here, tailgate release, M2 aluminum door sill, full power seat with lumbar again. And the headrest height is also power, and the M2 illuminates on the headrest. Looks really good. This is the new LCI flat bottom steering wheel. So we've got M at 6 o'clock on the flat bottom, red marker at 12 o'clock. We also have carbon fiber on the actual steering wheel, and we have the M tricolor stitching, and we've got M1 config, M2 config, and we have head-up display. And we also have the universal garage door buttons right here. Underneath the rear view mirror, hello. And up here, reading lights, SOS button. Visors come down, mirror opens the light with the mirror, and this does come out and it passes the straight pipes visor test. And down here, we've got all 3 pedals. We've got your dead pedal, and this is an OBD tool. That doesn't come with the car. This is your hood release. It's 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we come to the front, we will not have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift it up. And once we open it up, there it is, the beautiful S58 3-liter inline 6 twin turbo. And this time around, we have 473 horsepower, 406 foot-pounds of torque. If you get the automatic LCI M2, it's 442 foot-pounds of torque, so that's pretty sweet. We also have the triangular strut brace, positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, and washer fluid. So, car looks awesome. Engine bay, beastly. So now that we've had a chance to look at this, BMWs do have 2 latches under the hood. So in order to close this properly, you just need to center down with some force. Just like that. So now that we've had a chance to take a look at all the details, let's do one more lap all the way around. This car looks really good in Brooklyn. I think all of our gray and silver colors really show off the body lines very nicely, and the lines on this vehicle are very very bold and very aggressive. And you know what, since we're back here, let me just do a little cold start. That cold start sounds real good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW M2 in Brooklyn Gray Metallic with the manual transmission. We've got the LCI things on there, flat bottom steering wheel, new cascading ambient light design, and we've got the black seats in there with the M tricolor or M highlighter seats. I think this spec is awesome. Maybe carbon buckets and CF roof would improve it, but it's not necessary. This car is already amazing. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.